Hello, everyone. 666 portal. Let's get into it. There is a lot of information here. It's the new moon, a new portal, and let's see what spirit animal is assisting us in this time period. What is it we need to know? Our strongest qualities. Oh, wow. All right, let's start here. Authentic penguin. Reach out to your tribe in times of need. The protector, white stag. Elk and nobility. And the raccoon, the inventor. These are some really strong qualities leading with being your most authentic self in this world, your uniqueness. You are full of surprises. Let's see what you got.